Kilimarathukavu Shiva Parvati temple is located in Kadakkal, Kerala, India. The specialty of this temple is that it has two Lord Shiva deities installed in it. One is the main Shiva idol and the other one is referred to as Mahanadan. The legend related to this temple is as follows. During the period when the Pandavas were expelled to forest, Arjuna meditated on Lord Shiva to seek the Pashupatastra weapon. One day during the journey, Arjuna slept on a rock to take rest. As he woke up and continued his journey, he saw a bird flying around him and chirping. A feeling within Arjuna made him follow the bird and its path. The bird finally reached a valley and sat on a tree that almost touched the skies. It plucked 3 leaves from the nearby beel tree and put it there. The bird gazed at Arjuna, which was a signal to him to meditate on Lord Shiva at that very place. Since the bird sat on the tree, the place came to be known as Kilimarathukavu. Arjuna took bath in the nearby pond, found a stone resembling a shivling and started meditating on Lord Shiva. With the passage of time, Arjuna's penance became severe. As requested by goddess Parvati, Lord Shiva and Parvati appeared as foresters before Arjuna. At that time, a demon sent by Duryodhana came to kill Arjuna. Both Arjuna and Lord Shiva shot arrows at the demon that had the form of a boar and killed it. Arjuna and the forester Shiva argued over whose arrow hit the boar and killed it. In the ensuing battle between the two, Arjuna started to attack Lord Shiva with the Gandiva. Goddess Parvati stopped his attack and explained who the forester actually was. On realizing the identity of the forester, Arjuna did Shashtanga Namaskar before Lord Shiva. The Lord gifted him the Pashupatastra. All the other deities wanted to have a glimpse of Lord Shiva in the form of a forester. They saw the Lord in that form. Shiva told Arjuna that this place is very sacred and whoever comes here for prayer would be blessed. After saying this, the Lord disappeared and a Shivlingam appeared at the place where the temple stands today. I hope you liked this video. I'll be making a new video on another temple next time. Thank you.